Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm back again with another video. Sorry if it's echoey. Well, it sounded a bit weird because I'm in an odd space. I'm doing another video. I just uploaded Buffalo Sabres. Go check that out on my channel. Today we're going to be looking at the Calgary Flames one, which I thought was pretty cool because the Flames are one of my favorite teams. And their goalhorn has been great. I haven't checked out this one yet, so I'm excited to see what it is, and hopefully they stick to I'm on fire. I love that song. So without further ado, let's get it. Or I mean one more thing. If an ad pops up, I'm sorry, because in the last two videos, I think someone posted a comment saying there was something weird in the comment. I'm sorry, but I can't control that. Here we go. So I did that. Okay. It's okay. They didn't stick to the on fire song. I love that. I wish they would go back. But the TNT, I don't like that song, but the version that they did it, I liked, because the way they say it is like kind of annoying. It kind of gives me a headache. But this one is pretty good, so it'd be cool to, if you hear it go off in a building, it'd be cool. I don't know how this is gonna be ranked. I don't know. I'm gonna lose count of like you say in the comments. Oh, but that you put that team and that team. I'm sorry, but I don't know. Maybe we should all put this in like a good, awesome. Okay, no, awesome. Perfect, good, okay, bad, terrible, or despise. This one is going to go in okay. It's okay. Yeah, so that's going to do it for this video. I'll post more tomorrow. Maybe I'll post one today, but I don't know. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.